In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify theme. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This takes you to the Themes area for your store. Now scroll down past your current theme until you reach the Theme Library section. In this area, click on a theme to open Shopify's theme catalog. When the theme store page opens, move to the top right corner and click the drop-down there. In that drop-down, click All Themes. Next, look to the left side of the page for the filters and select Free. The theme list updates so you only see free options. Browse to the available themes and look at the previews shown for each one. These previews show the overall layout style, such as grid-based layouts, large hero image designs, or more minimal structures. When you find a layout that fits what you want, click the theme. For this tutorial, choose Craft. On the theme detail page, scroll through the demo preview so you can see how the layout looks across the store design. Then go to the bottom right corner and click Try Theme. Shopify sends you back to your admin, and the new theme now appears in your theme library section. Find the newly added theme in that list. Next to it, click Publish. A confirmation panel opens. In that panel, click Publish again. The theme is now live, and you'll see the Customize button next to it. Now click Edit Theme next to the newly published theme. This opens the Theme Editor. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of your store. On the left side, you'll see the editable sidebar. In that sidebar, sections such as header, image banner, and footer are listed so you can work on the structure of the page. To customize the colors, go to the top left corner and click Theme Settings. In the Settings list, click Colors. You'll now see color schemes such as Scheme 1 and Scheme 2. These schemes control the colors used in different parts of your store. Click Scheme 1 to expand it. Then click the color swatch next to Background. This opens the color picker. Choose the new background color you want, and as soon as you do, the preview updates in real time. Continue through the same area and click the swatches for text buttons or any other color setting you want to change. Each adjustment appears right away in the live preview so you can see the updated look as you work. Next, customize the fonts. While still in Theme Settings, click the back arrow to return to the main settings list. Then click Typography. Under Headings, click Change to open the font picker. Browse through the list or use the search if it appears, and select the heading font you want. After that, go to the body section and click Change there as well. Choose a body font that works with the heading font you selected. As soon as you make those choices, the preview updates instantly with the new font pairing. Now move to the Home page sections. At the top left corner, click Sections. In the section list, go to the bottom and click Add Section. A panel opens with the available section types. Select the section you want to add. Once selected, the new section appears in the preview, and the related settings show up in the sidebar. Use those settings to configure that section. To rearrange sections, find the drag handle icon next to any section in the sidebar, then click and drag that section up or down in the list to change the order. After that, check the mobile layout. In the top right corner of the theme editor, click the mobile phone icon. This switches the preview to mobile view. Scroll through the page and check how the layout, text, and images appear on the smaller screen. When you're done, click the desktop icon next to it to switch back to desktop view. To keep all of your changes, go to the top right corner and click Save. At this point, your new Shopify theme is live and customized. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.